Welcome to the video, guys, and first of all, I'm going to prove to you that this system works before I've even showed you it. Check the Phantom wallet, over $100,000 using a simple deving method. Now, if you watch this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that has allowed me to dev coins and consistently make serious profits. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. All right, coming up, we've got the live demonstration, but first, let's take a look at this Synapse coin and see how it's doing. And wow, look at this. How's this for a chart, guys? Look, well, it just gets better and better as you go. So this is a pretty freaky chart in terms of, what's happening here, because look at how crazy this is, just going up and down, like crazy. I mean, on average, sure, it's going up, but the first real big spike at the 42-minute mark, and then, the next one, let's have a look at the next one, is at the 1 hour 22 mark. But, imagine like trying to get in on this. If you got in early, fantastic. But obviously the only way you're going to get in early is if you know the dev or are the dev. But then, imagine if you started investing during one of these big upward ticks and then it just crashes down immediately afterwards. And of course, that's one of the big risks of the game. Now, I'm all about removing that risk, and I think this guy here got pretty lucky. He managed to do a couple transactions on the same one and made some pretty serious cash. But we're not always that lucky. It's not that consistent, and you can lose a lot of money in this game. However, if you were to launch your own coin on a site like createcoin.fun, you can make consistent gains, and though they won't be quite as big as some of the big trades, they are consistent, and that's the point. And the numbers are nothing to slouch at either. They are good numbers too. Best part, you don't need to know how to code. There is no coding required here. We don't need to know how to code in order to launch our own coin. All we need is a bit of Solana and the ability to click some buttons. That's all I've done, and I've been making serious stacks, as you've seen with my Phantom wallet. Now, on Terminal, we're going to look at a couple of markets. We first got the pump market. So the pump market has tons and tons of people on it. Great. But it also has tons and tons of coins being constantly blasted out into the ether all the time. Between all that noise, those shit coins, and all that bloat, you're never going to push past it, which is why the market caps on average are really low. Barely any get past the 1k point, right? And, never mind the, however many Ks that we want to make in order to make some serious money. Let's switch to dynamic and have a look at the Metora market instead. So as you can see, there are a few that have not done well and have got zero, but that's probably because they've not had any initial investment. But there are several coins that are bursting past the 1k mark. That's 313k there, tens of Ks here, doing really well because there's not as much noise and coins being blasted out. Now, in my wallet, I've got just over $100 worth of Solana, so I recommend having about that much in your wallet. So then you click Connect Wallet and you click Phantom. Easy start of the process so far. Now, as I said, don't need to know how to code. So if you wanted to make your own coin from scratch, you could pop a name in here, you could pop in a symbol and find a funny image, and you can link it to a kind of narrative or a meme. But we are not actually going to do that today. What we're going to do instead, what this method uses, is an interesting tool called the copy trending tool. Now, this is something that scans the pump market and finds the coins that have already done really well. And as I said, the pump market is quite inhospitable. So these are proven concepts that have already shown that they can make the moves. So we can take any of these coins. Any of these would do really well, no matter what the market cap, no matter what the, when it was last paired or the name. All of these coins are proven concepts and will do well in the framework of this method that we're using. So take your pick. You could go for one with a higher market cap. You could go for one that hasn't been paired in a long time, or maybe was recently paired. You can hit refresh if you're not happy with the selection, and we can just have a look at any of these. It doesn't really matter which one. I might pick, here we go. I'm going to pick hamster with a gun because that's funny, and it's also got a really good market cap. So initially you're going to get the request blocked, so make sure you hit proceed, confirm, tick a box, and confirm. All this is you saying you understand that your funds are at risk, because of course they are. It's meme coins, they always are, so nothing out of the ordinary there. Now, we have created our token, but currently it's worth nothing. It's worth zilch, so we need to create a liquidity pool. So once we're in this menu here, so you can see we've got a few pieces of information here. We have got the name, we've got the amount of tokens. Both those pieces of information are nice to have, I'm sure, but to us at the moment they are useless. The only thing we need to worry about is the amount of Solana. So that's the only thing we need to change. So in terms of how much Solana you initially invest into the coin, I have found personally that 0.2 Solana seems to be the best way to go. If you're running this for the first time, I would highly suggest that you put in 0.2 Solana. Okay, that's what I would suggest to you. So we're going to create a pool there, hit confirm, and then we are done. Okay, so we have got our coin. It's invested. It's ready to go. Its value is currently at $14. Now, this is the most important part of the process. You hit the lightning bolt button. That boosts your token. You pay 0.25 Solana, and your token gets put to the top of Dex Screener's trending list for an hour. So all those bots that are, plugged to go for trending tokens, all those people that just kind of follow the trends, they're the ones that are going to give us the initial boost of money that's going to get our coin rolling. And that's going to, build the momentum, and then we're going to be in a really good position. This booster is worth it. I'm not even going to run this for an hour, and I'm going to show you we will make plenty more than 0.25 Solana. So let's hit the boost, confirm the transaction, and then we're going to take a look on Dex Screener and see how our coin performs. So let's go over to Dex Screener now. Just going to click this here. So let's see. When this starts up, it'll be at 0. Okay, we're at 0. We'll wait for our first refresh. You can see we are live on Matora, and there we go. So already our market cap is looking pretty healthy. So we're nearly at the 1K point. There we go. We're past the 1K point. We have gone past nearly 90% of the coins that get put onto pump. Okay, we're already ahead of all of them. We've not even been running for like 30 seconds, and we're already there. Liquidity up to 1.7K. Fantastic numbers, guys. So this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. You see how the compounding factors, you have got the better market conditions, you've got a proven concept coin, and you have got the booster that all work together. Back onto createcoin.fun, and now we're going to hit refresh on this page here. So what I do for these videos, I always like to do a bit of a giveaway. Now, if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will put you in a prize draw where you could win 50% of the profit I make on this coin, which we will see in a brief moment once this loads up. So our estimated value, $14 to 1.24K. We've got 16 whole soul coins pulled up here. Hit the minus button, hit 100%, remove that liquidity, put it straight in your pocket. It's done and as easy as that. And you will see that money has gone straight into my Phantom wallet. Remember, we started at 100, 1,223. It's as easy as that, guys. And I've only been running for about 7.5 minutes. Fantastic work.